Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can transfer your crypto from Binance to another exchange or wallet. It's really fast and easy. And first, what you need to do here is you need to grab that particular wallet and cryptocurrency address, right? So in this case, I will transfer Ethereum from Binance to Exodus, and I need to get my Exodus Ethereum wallet ID, right? So as you can see here, what I need to do here, I need to find Ethereum, and then I need to press receive, and I need to get this my Ethereum address here. What I need to do here is to copy here, and then I need to go back on Binance, and then as you can see here on the top right corner there is wallet. Just hover your mouse, and as you can see here the pop-up shows up, and then you need to press on fiat and spot, the second option, and then you will be redirected to another page where I will show you the next steps that you need to take in order to transfer your cryptocurrency from Binance to other exchange or wallet. So once you're here, then press on withdraw here, and then on this page you need to select crypto and then select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So in our case is Ethereum, right? And then copy the address that you pasted address that you copied, and then select transfer network. So it totally depends on the fees, as you can see here. So select whatever you want. So for example, let's select this one, and then as you can see here, enter the amount that you want to transfer to Exodus wallet or other wallet, right? And after that, press submit, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.